Hi there, Personal Trainer Mike with the Cal Poly Recreation Center, and today I'm going to talk to you about the bodyweight squat, okay? So there is no perfect to the T way to squat. It's to the individual. People have got differing torso lengths, different leg lengths, but in general, what I say to my clients is go ahead and step out just outside shoulder width apart, turn the toes slightly outward, okay? So you want to turn the toes outward because that creates a favorable position for your hip socket as you squat down. And also, what I like to teach is creating tension, twisting your foot, imagine screwing it into the ground as you go into that squat. So we're gonna do our hip hinge, butt back, I'm creating tension, and this is gonna turn on your glute med, and then fire up coming up. Okay, so you're not gonna see the feet move, but as I go down, I'm turning, screwing into the ground, exhale, come through, okay? Chest falls over, glutes are loaded, knees are safe, and that's the bodyweight squat.